Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Miss Myers, and for the next month, I'm going to be your instructor for our science unit regarding sun and shade. In this unit, we're going to be discussing how sunlight affects the earth and how weather patterns can be measured over time. We're going to be taking a look at how the sun heats the earth. We're going to take a look at how the weather changes with the seasons. And we're also going to take a look at different ways that you and your family can prepare for severe weather in your area. Part of our science curriculum is incorporating engineering practices, so you're going to get to think like a scientist and an engineer. And one of the projects you're going to be working on in this particular unit is designing a structure that will keep a little toy bear safe from the heat of the sun. In your kit that you received with your family, there are a number of supplies for the design challenge. There are also some books to read with your family about some of the topics we're going to discuss, and your student workbook journal. There'll be different times when I ask you to complete an assignment in the journal and post it to our Seesaw account, where all of you will be able to interact with each other and comment on each other's work. So your family will also have access to this, and they will get to look at your work throughout the unit as well. So let's take a look at just a couple of things in the introduction. We're going to be talking about the sun and shade. We're also going to be talking about making that structure. And I'm going to ask you to think about some questions and post your answers on Seesaw. I want you to think about, what do you need to know in order to be able to meet the design challenge? And what questions do you have about designing something that will keep Mr. Bear safe from the sun's rays? And as we reflect on those and think about those, your parents are going to help you access this information through your Seesaw account. And also, this presentation and some of the other things that you'll need will be on Google Slides in your parents' email. So I hope you're ready to get started. We have a lot of exciting lessons to cover, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our very first lesson.